In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete old channel profile picture on Telegram. If you manage a Telegram channel, keeping the profile photo clean and up to date helps your audience recognize you at a glance. Today, we'll walk through how to remove an older profile image from your channel's gallery using either your phone or your computer. You don't need any special tools, just Telegram itself, and you should be an admin of the channel with permission to edit its profile. Start by opening Telegram on your mobile device or desktop. Then navigate to the channel you manage. You can find it in your chats list or by searching for the channel name. Once you are on the channel's main page, tap the channel name or the profile picture at the top. This opens the channel's profile view, where all the visual details and settings are grouped in one place, making it easy to manage your images. Next, tap the current profile picture. Doing this opens the gallery of previous profile images associated with your channel. Telegram keeps a history of the photos you've used, which is handy for swapping between them. But it also means older ones can linger even when you've moved on. Now, swipe left or right through the gallery to find the old picture you want to delete. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct image. Look carefully at the thumbnail or open it fully so you are confident you are removing the right one. This avoids accidentally deleting a picture you still want to keep in the archive. When you are on the image you want to remove, the delete option is in different places depending on your device. On desktop, look for the three-dot menu in the bottom right corner and select Delete. On Android, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and choose Delete. On iOS, tap the trash bin icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. These actions all do the same thing, they remove that specific image from the channel's profile photo gallery. Telegram will prompt you to confirm. Go ahead and confirm the deletion. Once accepted, the image disappears from your channel's profile history and won't be visible to your subscribers. Your current profile picture won't change unless the one you deleted was the active image. If you have more old photos to clear out, repeat the same process for each one. That's it. Thanks for watching.